Scary Baboon had another update, so I'm testing it out, I guess. What else I'm supposed to do? Just wait for somebody to do something, bro? Cause I'm like, well, I kind of love first to end this game, so I'm gonna play it for Bill. I might play some other games like Big Scary, other things. The frick? The frick? Bro, bro, I'm dead. Dad, this is annoying. You wait 24 hours like always. The frick? I just found this. This is out of here. Right here. Above you, above you, above you. Above you. It's open in here. Just walk through here. Walk through here. Walk through here. There's just one right there. Found one, found one, found one. Okay. I guess there's one up there. No. Transferred. They don't care about me. They don't care about somebody else. I'm surprised. Anything's hiding behind here? Hey, it's surprising again. Anything's hiding around this area? Cause what else were you fingerprinting them? Some kind of meat update. I like this ore update. Not gonna lie. Oh my. Oh my freaking god. Yeah. Over here. Young as frick, bro. Get your voice out of here. Young ass. What the? Something's happening today. Oh crap. God. What shit? Oh, oh my god. Oh, go, go, go. Oh crap. I'm lagging out. Okay. CD, CD. Oh crap. Oh crap. Go, 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 go. Okay. Oh shit. Hiya! This actually goes crazy. This update's actually kind of decent. Can't lie, can't lie. I like lore, and lore is a whole update. They added this insane lore thing that you just look for discs to tell you what's happening. Some insane, crazy stuff. I don't know. I'm wasting their money on a $500 hat, anyways. I am definitely doing that when I get the money. Guess what I just found? And guess why my headset went to freaking buy something mode? And guess what? I just sitting over here. I'm also stuck. Bro, me out of this, bro. My hand is stuck in this thing. How's your hand get stuck in this, bro? How? Don't go back there again. Let's get this. Let me get the heck out of here. I don't know what that was all for. This, surprisingly not. This was such a crazy surprise. No. No disc around here? I got the disc though. Damn. I'm gonna get off of this. Tell me if you want me to add more to this later, because I'll do it 100%. I'll do a part 2 with that, bro. That's actually kind of fun. But there's one thing I want to do that I haven't done in like a year straight. At least it feels like that. I want to do something that I haven't played in a long time. I can't though. I have to do it. I can't. Bro, that tempts me so bad. I can't, bro. I have to play it. I have to play it. What am I hearing? No, thank you, please. The game just went is going laggy mode right now. What the heck's happening right now? What's that? Headphone tag on this? No, there is. I don't know. What's button on here? There's one big button and one small. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. Figure something out later. Oh my god, bro. What, bro? Jeez. Oh my god, the other server was freaking laggy. Oh my god. You guys saw that on video, 100%. That was so bad. Oh my, that was server. Oh. Let's try that again. Let's try out of the game. Let's try out of the game. It's safe this time, yeah. Okay. It's lagging. Can I store all these? I don't know. Oh my god. That's freaking insane. What in horror nation? I just find on the ground. What? Uh. Yo, I just got this thing. Okay. I don't even care about this. Why? Well, honestly, I'm personally get this away for free. I don't really care about that. I'll get that back. Who wants this for free? I don't really care about who gets this in me. It's just not important to me. I don't care about that thing anyways. It's fun. It sucks. Yo, free puncher thing. I'll trade you that for this. I'll take that. Thank you. You know what I should have done? I should have definitely picked up that shutter. I could have had some rare stuff in it. I don't know. I could have actually got money from it, but okay. I had a missed out chance on it. I don't really care. What the heck is this? All these extra areas that are outside the map that are in the game now. Like, what the heck is happening, bro? 1 second. We just save this thing right now. 1 sec. I could have had that in my hand, but okay. Bro, 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 bro. Nah, don't even try about that one, bro. Nah. Thank you. Okay. Back in the thing you go. Okay, let me just go. Let me try this thing out. Bro, how freaking bad is this grappler, bro? Like, what the heck is this? And why is there just an opening on the floor right here? Why does everything in the game have an opening now? Oh shit. Okay. As I almost died trying to argue about that. It's all good though. Okay. Got an opening right here. Oh, that's something else right there. Holy crap, bro. Oh crap. Let me try something out here. This could be risky, but I don't really care honestly. I want to get out of the map by just doing that, and then get to like an area that I'm not supposed to go to by doing this. Like, risky idea, but it's worth it. Bruh. It always misses because this game has the worst collisions of the game ever. ever to exist. Collisions are absolute trash in this update. I definitely touched that, but I would have missed it because it sucked so bad. Now, let's see what this update's about here. Let's see what this open area is about here. I can get out of the map right here, just out of that. I don't have to worry about doing this thing anymore. I'm not in the map anymore, like I'm not. I can like try this out, like going outside of the map like that. What the hell? Oh, that is something else right there. I like that. Oh, oh, well, that's something. Why do I see a freaking? I can watch out. Maybe I don't fall off the edge. See, just that. Now, the hell is this? Random cube, bro. I can check out stuff and I wasn't see yet by doing this. So one sec. Oh, I'm outside the map now. Easy as that. Okay. That's what I was trying to do before I got back in the map again. So 1 second. Oh boy. Okay. This is interesting. 1 sec. I'm able to check stuff out. 1 sec. I'm gonna do that again. That is something I can fail this time. I did last time, but I might fail. I'm gonna do that again. I wanna check something out here. I wanna check something out, like insane stuff right now. So I'm on top of this. Oh shit. Okay. Oh my god. Wrong place, wrong place. It's all good. I tried to on that sand part right there. I think I'll leave it there though, so. Easiest thing to do in the game. I'm gonna do this. Try not to take my hand back into the map again, but this thing's. This is gonna get annoying process every time I fall on that side of the map again. I have to do all this again to get into the map again. This game is just like that. Bro! Honestly, I'm not mad about that. But that's kind of funny. Wait a minute. 21. That was just crazy though. 21 freaking trash things. I don't know what they're supposed to be used for, but to pick up stuff in the sky. 21 of them just sitting there on the ground. Like, who does that? Alright, about to work before I freaking failed the thing. I didn't reach the sand piece. I just went to, when I fell to the bottom. I didn't reach the sand piece. I missed the sand piece. What the heck? Okay, that's something else right there. Whoa, nah. Now that is something else I never would have thought of seeing there. Alright, never go that way. You don't know, you have no idea where you're gonna fall at, so don't go that way. That's not a good idea. I'm saying. Okay, we're back in the part where I wanted to see. Guess it's not on the sand this time, instead of falling down like I did last time. Alright, let's do this. We're seeing this now, so you can do basically anything we want down here. So I won't hold that tree. 1 second. Risky. I want to try to go behind that. Wait a minute. I want to try to go behind that. The shop thing. That'd be kind of cool. I want to see that. I want to see what that looks like behind the shop. 1 second. That could be something else that I would have thought of seeing right there. Oh crap. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. That's sad. This is the way I do it. I don't know why I do this like this, but I do it. This is basically I'm trying to do random stuff. I just found myself out of nowhere. This is just me using glitches I find out of nowhere myself. It's normal stuff I do basically. I'm now behind the shop. That's cool. What the heck? Why is this like that, bro? What the? I have an idea that's stupid, but I'm doing it. I'm gonna go around this. So I saw the map now. I can do anything I way want to. So I can do this. What the hell? Okay, that's something else right there. I don't know what that guy just did. But that I think I went into the little secret behind area thing. Yeah, I did. That's something I never thought. Oh, I never thought I'd do that. Sorry about the edge word. Every single time I find something different in the game, I'm not used to this. All right, I'm not used to this at all. I'm not used to it at all. I'm not at all. Like, I never would have thought I'd find this random stuff that I'm just looking at. I just find myself out of nowhere. I'm trying to walk out maps. This is what I do when I'm not recording. I find stuff like this, and then I record it after I find it. And this time I actually found it while I was recording. That's actually kind of funny. Oh no, I love doing this. It's really fun. This time I want to see what it was like under where the office map is without being in the office map. If you understand what that. So I'm gonna do this. Office was right there, which means the entrance to the office should be. Let me try to go around this. Oh no, this is something I risky to do. I'm back into the map again if I do this. Oh, oh, that failed. I'm gonna find some exits. I'm trying to get some way out of the map right here. There's definitely a way to get out of the map right here. It's 100%. God, I was so close to getting through. Whoa, what the? Yep, this is 100%. If you want to do a part 2 of this, I might. I said I might. Which means if to me, it might means 100% doing it next time. I love doing this. This is something I never would have thought of doing. Just glitching out of the map and doing stuff like this. This is something I do every single day. Goodbye, dude. I gotta do something else. I just forgot. Sorry about that, guys. I'll see you guys later.